Didn't know a simple text could bruise us. You got me twisted in your little game. You see how open I am, see right through me. So you lean on every crack in my faith. Didn't know a simple text could make you turn your back and fade away. If you don't want me anymore, just say it. Don't drag me through your quiet shades of gray. I'm too broad to trace a shadow, too tired to beg for truth. Tell it straight, don't bend it sideways, so I can finally move. If you don't want me, baby, just say it. Don't hit me with that silent treatment. Why you do that? I've been sitting here watching these blue ticks lie, while my chest gets tight, while the hours crawl by. Oh, your name, scroll past laughs that don't feel the same. I keep drafting words, then I erase them, second guessing every step we made. Clock keeps tapping on the bedroom wall. My thoughts run circles till they stall. If I'm not what you've been needing, why